Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on General Management. And now you have to scroll down again and click on Reset, and then scroll down and click on Factory Data Reset. Then you have to scroll down again and click on Reset, and you have to enter your lock screen pattern, and then click on Delete All. And now you have to enter your password to your Samsung account. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.